by default, by example, they follow. Sonali here has managed to convert and make her mother-in-law a believer, a Punjabi mother-in-law a believer, which is a big deal as well. So I suppose once you're feeling whole and complete is when your environment is going to change. Yeah. Um, Ladies, this has been so inspiring. I have taken back so much. I'm guessing all these wonderful people here have too. I'm going to do one thing. We're going to open the floor up for questions. If you have any, then please feel free to post them. You guys just came for the almonds, no? Yeah, absolutely. No, I did too. It's all right to be honest. No questions at all? Sonali, if you have a question that you want to pose to the nutritionists or anything?
Yeah. So I want to know the ratio of Pilates and weight training that you do in a week. Yeah, so I typically do Pilates every morning because it's anti-movement training now that has caught my attention. We move too much and don't move the part of the body that shouldn't be moved, and so that I do that. A lot of plank holds, a lot of dead bugs, new exercises. I do weight training every day. I love my muscle. Yeah. I do. I'm reaching the stage where my best friends are my muscle, and I'm really
Yeah,
looking for them.
absolutely.
I have very little of those. But you can change your muscle composition based on the diet. And what's really interesting now, as per the new research, is that you want some. It's not so compartmentalized anymore into breakfast, lunch, dinner, and we have to look at protein adequacy. And I think we were talking about genetic nutrition because the power of nutrition lies in silencing the bad genes from expressing themselves. So that's a huge new thing that's coming up. And these wonderful little nuts are part of that silencing package, yeah, for me.
Tell me why almond milk and not cow's milk?
I would say, see, when you exercise, after your exercise, before you exercise, you require a simple carb source in small portion. That is your biggest factor, which will help you to mobilize your fat. That's precisely why you are exercising. After you have exercised, so just look back at your physiology, what all has happened. You have mobilized your fat. In other words, there is plenty of energy which is present in your bloodstream, right? But still, after exercising, you are very, very hungry, right? So you require, the culprit is typically 90% of people, what they do is that they will come back home and eat another carb source. Body is not asking for energy. It's not asking for that sugar to come back into the bloodstream. If you are having a carb source, it means the quantum of sugar body is going to liberate. It will again get converted into fat and stored inside your body. What body is demanding, the culprit is fat because it has got mobilized. If you take in protein, then it works beautifully because post workout, because the body has enough quantum of energy present. So how will body take your protein source? It will say, protein, go and perform your function. It will help you to build your muscle. Now, the question which you have asked me is why almond milk and why not your cow's milk? There are two facts which I'm going to state. First fact is, if you look at the protein content, almond milk has fair quantum of protein in it, but it also has other factors more than your cow's milk, which are your antioxidant, anti-inflammatory agents. Then it has a very powerful antioxidant, which
I
is
didn't know
vitamin
anti-inflammatory.
E. Yes, it has lot of anti-inflammatory.
Yeah.
They
And-
are
and vitamin
basically vitamin E, which is a very, very powerful antioxidant.
Correct.
So when you work out,
For skin and hair.
exactly, exactly. So if you talk about right from cosmetic to your food, everybody is talking about antioxidants and anti-inflammatory to be added inside your body. It is higher in that. The other factor is milk has something called as lactose. It is a disaccharide. I'll explain to you what disaccharide is. It is two molecules of sugar. When they add together, it forms a disaccharide. But still, it is a simple sugar only. It is lactose which is present in your milk. But if you compare that's simple carb in the almond milk, it is considerably low. So I would say a person can actually switch over to almond milk.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or at least increase, have it as part of your
Yeah.
several milks that you have, definitely. That would be good for variety.
What I'm saying, what I would like to say is that so it's not a bad idea to kind of switch to almond milk in the cereal.
Sonali, I'll suggest another thing. See, typically when you come back from your workout, you want to have something solid.
Yes.
Hmm? So the ideal combination would be a milk cereal is what generally people tend to have. I would say bring down the percentage if you are having it, let's say with cow's milk. It is also nutritious. I'm not stating ki don't have, but I am telling you how relevant it is to switch over to almond
Because
milk.
we don't do that kind of activity.
Right.
We have sedentary lives.
Right.
We are getting into our lives. We are not going to fields and working, or we are
Yeah.
not doing that kind of physical labor anymore.
Right.
We are at a desk somewhere or some,
Yeah.
in that zone. So we understand that we have to do that workout because that's the way we are
Yeah.
moving our body. But as soon as we do the workout and we come back, then like you said,
Yeah.
with the cow's milk, we are back to square one basically.
Yes.
After
the
that-
quantum of simple sugar is definitely higher.
Exactly. So it will be a healthy choice for
Yes.
the lifestyles that we have in cities
Obviously.
to move to almond
Yes.
milk. So it's okay to move a child to almond milk
Yes,
also, right?
why not?
Safe.
Yes, absolutely safe.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think this was fantastic. Our questions got answered here only. How lovely. So I'm guessing there are no questions here. I'm going to invite the lovely Sonika to come back. Hi.
Hi, thank you all for that lovely discussion. And now I would like to invite Mr. Sudarshan Majumdar, our Regional Director of Boundary Milk, California, to come up on the stage and present the token of appreciation.
Well, you know, it's a joke because I never go anywhere without my pack of badam in my bag because I'm hungry, and if I don't eat on time, I get hangry. So I really start getting very, very irritable if I'm not fed on time. So there's always a bit of nuts in my bag. And like I said, even now if you open my bag, you'll find I have a little dabba which has this thing in it. Also, like all the cars, like my mom-in-law's car, my husband's car, all of their cars will also have little almonds in it, because at any point of time, if you're stuck in traffic, you're getting delayed, sometimes you're not going to reach on time, then what happens is when the hunger builds up, you end up eating junk, because then you start craving, and then you just want to satisfy that hunger, and you're eating all wrong foods at that time. So instead of that, when that meal time is coming, and if you're going to take longer to prolong that, say like my meal time is 1 o'clock, but I know that by the time I get to my meal, it's going to be 2:30. Then I will snack on a little bit of badam and have those almonds. It just satiates me till then, so that I eat a healthy meal again, and I don't end up, because if I don't, then I end up eating all kinds of junk food.
और कितना ख्याल रखती हैं जब बात आती है आपकी सन की एक्ट्रेस के लिए तो उतना ही डिफिकल्ट होता है.
See, for my son, I would say, like what he was saying, for a working mother to see that a nutritious meal is done. So if you can innovate these badams, you can make it in different recipe and kind of plan the meals. It makes life easier. And as an actor, I don't. Yes, definitely important to take care of your health. I think everybody needs to take care of their health. We are living in cities. We are living sedentary lifestyles. We really need to move around and eat properly. Eat food that is not just appealing to your taste buds, but make it appealing to taste buds while being healthy is what is important. And that is what I think I aim at doing.
और कोई अगर हेल्थ के बारे में अगर और कोई टिप्स देना चाहें आपके
वर्कआउट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बहुत बड़ी टिप है ये. कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है उसके लिए. वर्कआउट रेगुलरली, ईट हेल्दी, दैट्स द बेस्ट वे टू अ हेल्दी, हैप्पी, लॉन्ग लाइफ.
सोनल, सोशल मीडिया एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बन गया है जहाँ पर लोग अपने व्यूज़ रखता है, अपनी बातें करता है, चाहे वो हेल्थ को लेकर हो कोई भी. तो अभी एक सॉन्ग आया है रिलीज, 1 2 3 माधुरी जी का रिमिक्स बना है जिसमें जैकलीन ने परफॉर्म
बट
किया.
उसमें आमंड्स का क्या कनेक्शन है?
एक सवाल आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आपको कितना पसंद आया?
मैंने देखा नहीं है.
मिक्स रिव्यूज़ भी आ रहे हैं उसको.
अच्छा, सो आई एम डेफिनेटली ऑन सोशल मीडिया, लेकिन मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि प्रॉब्लम्स भी दुनिया की सारी एक आदमी चेंज नहीं कर सकता है. सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू कैन डू. So I focus on what I can do on social media. I run a lovely book club on social media, and I feel that social media is a very powerful tool which can be used well or can be abused also. And I would like to be a person who uses the tool, which is very powerful, in a good way. And I think my book club was, the idea of the book club was that to kind of use it in a good way, in a positive way, in a constructive way. And very frankly, I try not to see negative and not constructive things on social media or in newspaper or in news or even read stories, because I think mental health is very important, and that's part of my mental health. So I don't look at negative stories.
But then also we really like the song.
I have not seen it.
I have not seen it.
Yeah, so
You want to ask? Okay.
you want to ask anything? Okay, thank you.